19 new features, 31 bug fixes, and 20 improvements across 2 releases, starting with Windows. PowerShell is now available as an opt-in shell tool, so Windows users finally have a native alternative to Bash. On the hook side, 4 upgrades. A new TaskCreated hook fires when tasks are created. Worktree create hooks can return the worktree path over HTTP. Hooks now support a conditional if field using permission rule syntax, so they only fire when they actually need to. The MCP system gets a major upgrade. Servers configured both locally and through Claude.ai connectors are now deduplicated. Local config wins. Tool descriptions are capped at 2 kilobytes to prevent OpenAPI servers from bloating your context. OAuth follows RFC 9728 for authorization discovery. And enterprise admins get a new allowed channel plugin setting to lock down what teams can install. 5 plugin bug fixes ship alongside, including step-up auth and blocked server enforcement. 6 quality of life improvements. If you return after 75 minutes idle, Claude Code nudges you to /clear, saving you from recaching a stale session. Deep links open in your preferred terminal and now support up to 5,000 characters. Token counts above 1 million display as 1.5 M instead of 12.6K. And startup is around 30 milliseconds faster. VS Code gets a rate limit warning banner showing your usage percentage and when it resets. The stat screenshot is 16 times faster and works in all builds now. Under the hood, the layout engine swapped from Wasm Yoga layout to pure TypeScript, which makes scrolling through large transcripts noticeably smoother. Unavailable /commands like /voice and /mobile are now hidden instead of showing errors. Voice push to talk no longer leaks characters into your text input. Ctrl+U properly clears across line boundaries in multiline mode. Null unbinding key bindings actually freeze the prefix key now. For international users, native terminal cursor tracking works with IME composition, so CJK input renders inline. And after exiting Claude Code, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+D work correctly in Ghostty, Kitty and Western. A new environment variable lets you configure the streaming idle timeout. Default is 90 seconds. Every API request now includes an xClient request ID header for debugging timeouts. System prompt caching works globally, even with tool search enabled. Persistent ECONNRESET errors during edge connection churn are fixed with fresh TCP connections on retry. And a memory leak in remote sessions is patched. 7 stability fixes. /compact no longer fails when your conversation is too large for the compact request itself to fit. macOS keychain errors that caused spurious not logged in messages are resolved. The cold start race condition, where core tools were deferred without bypass, is fixed. Partial clone repositories no longer trigger mass blob downloads on startup. And remote control sessions no longer get stuck on requires action. Run Claude update to get both releases right now. Over 75,000 developers are already building with Claude Code on GitHub. If these updates help your workflow, subscribe and hit the bell. PowerShell or Bash? What are you running Claude Code with? Tell me below.